Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Google Sites for affiliate marketing or how you can create Google Sites affiliate marketing website 2025. So here, the first thing that we should do is we just have to open any of our web browser. And as you can see, this is a sample website that I have created. So I'm going to show you on how you can do that step by step. So you just have to go to your Google Sites account. So open any of your web browser and then just have to type out Google Sites. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Okay, so once you're here on your dashboard, you'd be able to see this different templates, right? So you can choose to create an affiliate marketing website in a blank site. So for this one, I think I'll be using the project option. So I'm going to use the project template for this one. So when you click on it, you'd be directed to this section. So here we can start customizing this template. Okay, so for example, starting out with the text, the background, the color of your backgrounds, and all of the elements that you think you have to customize for your marketing website. Okay, so right here, the top left of your screen, so you just have to tap it right here like affiliate marketing or what is the title of your website. Okay, so here at the bottom center, we also have this option. And of course, if you'd like to change the logo, so you just have to click on the logo and then you just have to delete this one and then upload your own. And then for your favicon is we are going to use Google Media or Google Images for this one. And of course, since you're creating your own website, you have to upload your own logo from your computer. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to use different logos online. Okay, so now I'm going to change the logo of this website. So you're just going to click on select and then upload media from your Google Drive, or you can also search for a logo on Google. Okay, so I think I'll be using this one as well. So just have to click on connect or select, and then after that, you just have to close this one. So right here, we are going to change the text for this one. Okay, so let me just change the image first. You just have to click on upload or select. So I'm going to click on select and I'll be using Google Images again. Okay, so using the search bar, you just have to type out like marketing, so that would do, or any keywords that would help you to find the relevant image for your website. Okay, so I think I'll be using this one. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and once you're here, you'll be able to see here now your background image. And then for the text, I am going to type it right here, like for example shop here, and then you can add a link so that when a customers click on it, they'll be directed to your affiliate link or to that specific product using your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to type it right here as well, like use my link and code to get discounts. Okay, so for example, I would like to add a link for this button, or I'm going to change the color of the font. Okay, now let us add a link for this section. So you just have to simply click on the link option. Okay, so after that one, just have to paste the link using your affiliate link, of course. For example, on Timo, so I have an affiliate account for video tutorials, so I'm going to use that affiliate link for this example. So let me just go back to my Timo account, and then I'm going to select the invite affiliate option. Okay, so you just have to simply click on the share to earn option to get your affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link and then go back to Google Sites, and the next thing you should do is you just have to click on the link icon and then just have to click on apply. Okay, so I think I made a mistake, so let me just type it out right here again, and then here just have to highlight them and then click on the button, and then here just click on and then type out the name. Okay, so the name of this button, so for example shop here, or shop now, and then you just have to paste here the link and then click on insert, and you'd be able to see that button right here. So just have to put it right here below the information that you have provided. Okay, so I think this button with those, I'm just going to put it right here. So when someone clicked on this button, they'll be redirected to that specific website. And then when they sign up for a Timo account using my affiliate links, then of course I'll be getting the commission that I deserve. Okay, now for the next one. For example, right here, you would like to upload a specific product and then link your customers to that specific product. So I'm going to change the image for this one. So let's go back to Timo and then find products that we can promote on our website using Google Sites. Okay, so for example, this item right here, you just have to click on the share option, and then you just have to download the image for this one, or you can take a screenshot and then just have to copy the link, and then you just have to go back to Google Sites and then provide the important information about this product. Okay, so I'll be downloading an image for this product, or I'm just going to use a snipping tool to take a screenshot. So here I'm going to upload the image, so I'll be using this one, and then just have to click on open. Next, of course, you have to put here the name of this product. So let's go back on Timo and then just copy the name of this product. Okay, so this one, just have to highlight the text, copy, and then paste it on Google Sites. And then if this product needs a description, of course, so you just have to go back on Timo and then find the description of this product, or you can also use an online tool, which is ChatGPT, to help you create a description for the product. Okay, and then the most important thing is that you should add here the link of this product. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the image and then click on the linked option, and then you have to paste here the link. So to get the link of this product, you just have to go back to your Timo account and then copy the link. So this is your affiliate link right here. After that, you just have to simply click on it and then paste it right here. And then when we click on publish and then try if this one is working. Okay, so we have to add here our website name and then click on publish. Okay, so now let us try to preview this website and try to click on the links that we have provided. So for example, this button right here, the shop now option, okay, or the product. So when someone clicked on this image, of course, they'd be directed to the Timo website where they can purchase the product. So when they purchase that specific product, you'll get your commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.